If you've ever wanted to find Android games on itch.io, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it. Itch.io has a huge library of indie games, experimental projects, and hidden gems, and if you're specifically looking for Android titles, the platform filter makes it simple. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can quickly browse Android games without wasting time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to itch.io. You can type the address directly into the browser bar and press enter. Once the homepage loads, you'll see that itch.io has a clean layout with categories, featured games, and filters that help you narrow down what you want. Since we're looking for Android games, the next step is to use the platform filter on the left side of the page. Look over to the left-hand menu and find the filter section. On itch.io, this area is used to sort games by different options, like platform, genre, and price. Scroll through the filter options until you see the platform section. This is the part that tells itch.io what device or operating system you want games for. Under Platform, click Android. As soon as you select it, the page will refresh and show only games that are available for Android devices. That's really all there is to it. Once the Android filter is applied, you can browse the results and explore different games that work on your phone or tablet. You can click into any game listing to read more about it, check screenshots, see the developer's notes, and make sure it's the kind of game you want to download. If you want to keep narrowing your search, you can also combine Android with other filters on itch.io to find specific genres or styles of games. This is a great method if you want to discover indie Android games that you won't usually find in the regular app stores. Itch.io is especially useful for experimental games, free downloads, and unique projects from smaller creators. So if you're looking for something different to play on Android, this is one of the best places to start. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to find Android games on itch.io in just a few clicks.